SunGard is an American multinational company based in Wayne, Pennsylvania, which provides software and services to education, financial services, and public sector organizations. It was formed in 1983, as a spin-off of the computer services division of Sun Oil Company. The name of the company originally was an acronym which stood for Sun Guaranteed Access to Recovered Data, a reference to the disaster recovery business it helped pioneer. SunGard is ranked at 480th in the U.S. Fortune 500 list in the year 2012. SunGard was one of the title sponsors of the Team Tinkoff Saxo Pro cycling team until the end of 2011. Business: SunGard provides software and processing for financial services, K-12 and higher education, and the public sector. It also provides continuity assurance and production data center hosting services to enterprises of all types. SunGard has offices in many parts of the world outside of the United States including Paris, South Africa, Tunis, Stockholm, and the United Kingdom. Acquisitions: SunGard has historically grown by acquisition. Past mergers include Performance Pathways, Vericenter, Inflow, Strahl Systems, Comdisco Continuity Services, and Guardian plc on the availability side, Systems and Computer Technology Corporation on the higher education side, and GL Trade, Ashap, TRAX, Carnot AG, Front Capital Systems, Martini, Monis, APT, Giatron, Reach, VPM, Phase 3 Systems, Infinity, Microte, Reconciliation, Automated Securities Clearance India, Opus Renaissance Software Incorporated, and National Computer Systems Financial Systems Division on the software and processing side. SunGard has completed more than 150 acquisitions over the past 20 years. The 5 large and most prominent acquisitions were, in 1997, SunGard Data Systems acquired Infinity Financial Technology, a designer of trading and risk management software, for about $390 million, where $313 million were paid in stock and $77 million went in cash. Infinity Financial Technology reported revenues of about $60 million in the fiscal year 1996. In 1999, SunGard acquired Israel's Ashap Technologies for $210 million in stock, giving SunGard a foothold in both the middleware and front-office portfolio management systems markets. In 2001, SunGard acquired Comdisco Incorporated, a Euro unregistered trademark computer disaster recovery business after a U.S. appeals court rebuffed a request by the Justice Department to halt the $825 million transaction. In 2004, SunGard acquired Systems and Computer Technology Corporation for $590 million in cash. In 2008, SunGard acquired GL Trade, a Paris-based financial services firm, for nearly $1 billion. In a first tranche, a 65% stake in GL Trade was acquired for $625 million, including effective outstanding stock options. The deal encompasses the New York Stock Exchange Euronext's 40% stake in GL Trade, however 25.4% were in the hand of the founders and 36.6% of the shares were free float. The deal was considered to be financially hazardous, given the mere fact that GL Trade reported revenues of €203 million and an EBITDA of €26 million. In 2008, SunGard acquired Strahl Systems, an IT company, direct competitor of SunGard in availability and recovery planning. Strahl Systems became software division of SunGard Availability Services, located in King of Prussia, PA. Demerger activities. In March 2014, SunGard completed the split-off of its availability services business. Andy Stern continues to lead the SunGard AS business. In August 2011, Dartatl and SunGard's higher education group announced the definitive agreement to combine businesses and operate as one company. Dartatl, a Euro unregistered trademark's current Chief Executive Officer, John Spear, will be the Chief Executive Officer of the combined business. Ron Lang, the CEO of SunGard Higher Education, will continue to play an active role in the combined business as Vice Chairman of the Board of Directors. affiliates of private equity firm Hellman & Friedman LLC will acquire the SunGard higher education businesses from SunGard Data Systems Incorporated for an aggregate cash purchase price of $1.775 billion and combine the acquired businesses. The combined company will operate under a new name, Attribution, as announced at the 2012 Annual Users Conference. On December 7, Hellman & Friedman, Dartetl and SunGard announced that the proposed combination of Dartetl and SunGard Higher Education had cleared Department of Justice review and the companies are preparing to close the transaction in the first quarter of 2012. In March 2012, the combination was announced, with the new company being called Attribution. SunGard's total debt of $8.08 billion will be alleviated by selling the higher education business line. However, a projected annual revenue shortage of $580 million can be assumed, resulting in a total revenue projection for the fiscal 2011 of $4.7 billion, suggesting a negative revenue trend. In December 2010, the Capita Group plc acquired SunGard Public Sector Holdings Limited for £86 million. The new business was known as Capita Secure Information Systems. It has now been renamed Capita Secure Managed Services. Leveraged Buyout 2005, formerly listed on the New York Stock Exchange on August 11, 2005, the company was acquired by a consortium of 7 private equity investment firms in a transaction valued at $11.3 billion. The partners in the acquisition were Silver Lake Partners, Bain Capital, Blackstone Group, Goldman Sachs Capital Partners, Kohlberg Kravis Roberts, Providence Equity Partners, and TPG Capital. References. External links. Official website, SunGard K-12 Education, SunGard Financial Systems, SunGard Availability Services, SunGard Public Sector.